It's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got another project I'd like to share. I created another flip-up folio with a couple different little alternations, okay? This actually flips to the side, so I'm going to call it my side flip folio for now, and I'll explain how I did that. But I used up the rest of the papers that I got from scrapandcreate.com, Boarding Pass, designed by Tracy Smith, Photo Play paper collection. Came with a 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet and a 1 page of cut-aparts. We know how it goes, right? This is so adorable, great for travel. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that I was able to get this entire book out of all my scrap pieces, okay? So I will leave a link to the other project that I made with this paper line. It was my gatefold folio version 2, okay? And then also my flip-up folio you can also make, so I'll leave the tutorial down below for both of those projects and both of the shares. And this was just from one pack, right? Those two projects, this one and my gatefold folio, literally one packet of paper. So that's 12 by 12 paper, right? Double-sided. Yeah, 2 projects. Isn't that amazing? So here on the front cover, of course I popped up some of the stickers. So that was super easy. Even these cute little stars. And then a couple more stickers on the spine and the back, speed limit 60 sticker right there. Love the sign paper. So when you open this up, it's pretty much the same, right? It's just that the panels are side by side instead of top and bottom this time. So that would make your spine 4 9/16 instead of 6 9/16. So what I did was lay them side by side, the chipboard pieces on my cover wrap paper, and then I went from there. So all the measurements are exactly the same. That's the only thing I did. And I actually did add a pocket behind here. So super cute little chunky tags right there, places for small photos or journaling, which is super cute. And then we've got this awesome sticker, some more of this adorable ribbon that I believe you can get on scrapandcreate.com as well. And these flip out for photo spaces, awesome for the wallet sizes or even just trimmed. And look, I made a little pocket because I was just using strips, and this is Trip. Super cute if the recipient has a picture and they can just mount this right on top of their photo once they plug their photos in. That would be so cute. A couple more little stickers that I fussy cut around when I mounted them on some cardstock. Places for journaling right here, 2 places for photos. Isn't that so cute? Love the hot air balloons. This flips up. Photo spaces. Love the suitcase paper. Of course, I went nuts with my journaling pen again. And so here's the whole mechanism, right? So another sticker, fussy cut around that. Love the hot air balloon paper. 4 by 4 photographs right here. 4 by 6 perfect right here. So this holds about 20 photos. Okay, look at this. Amazing. Places for photos, oh my gosh, and or journaling. Another sticker. This was from the ephemera pack that I also got from there. So it came with that little kit. It was so amazing. Look at this super cute little, oh my gosh, hopefully I'm in frame. Little bag or something right there. What is that called? I don't know what that's called right now. I don't know, I'm just burning up because it's so hot over here. Okay, super cute little ephemera piece, a sticker. Adorable, right? Another sticker right here that I just added some tape right there down at the bottom. Picture space or journaling space. Open these up, places for journaling, and another photo. And then these are actually pockets. So look at this. This was from the ephemera pack. Super cute, right? And again, this was just out of the cut aparts page. Oh my gosh, it's so super quick and easy. It comes together super fast. I made this in 1 day. Okay? Kid you not. Isn't that amazing? Anyways, guys, I created a side flip folio using Boarding Pass by Photo Play paper. Thanks guys so much for watching. Bye.